Hello guys, really annoyingly the video was full. The video was full, the iPad was full because I've been doing a lot of homework for people and I forgot to delete. So conveniently it fell just before the examples. So they're all deleted now, we're all good. Anybody who comments underneath and says I need a bigger memory capacity for my iPad, I know. Okay, so basically what we were saying with examples is what I wanted to show you is that you can use this in different tenses. So the basic idea we are going with is if you are using the word perhaps first and then a person, you're gonna have to remember to say que. So for example, perhaps he has a key. Peut-être qu'il a une clé. Yeah? Perhaps he'll arrive before us. Peut-être qu'il arrivera avant nous. Okay? Now, here's another couple of ideas. So we've talked about how it can go in different tenses. Here's two more really useful ideas for this Stuart and everybody else. The first one is the idea of possibility normally brings the subjunctive. So ça se peut, an expression that is possible. Ça se peut que. Okay, that's not very clear with the light there. Let me see if I can make that a little bit clearer. Ça se peut que, C-A-S-E-P-E-U-T, que. That's maybe or might, yeah? And that will take the subjunctive. You can use that expression on its own, ça se peut, yeah, it's possible. Ça se peut qu'il soit en retard, and because it's possibility, it's not definite, that will be committing to the subjunctive, because it's not 100% indicative, it's not 100% indicating. So you might go, well, why is peut-être que not going to give me the subjunctive? But it just doesn't, okay? Okay? It could be he has the key, yeah, so it's like a little bit more, I don't know, yeah? It's just the way things are. So the fact is, if you're going to be using the word perhaps before somebody, then you are going to have to remember to use the que as well. But obviously sometimes in French we stick things in the order as we think of them. So we'll go peut-être oh, il a une clé, he has a key, okay? So you do sometimes forget to use the que. But obviously we would need to try and remember the que if we were writing, okay? Another idea, if you use words as an afterthought, this is quite common. So for example, I have eaten a lot, j'ai mangé, oh, beaucoup. You know the good grammar is j'ai beaucoup mangé, but if you just remember the word afterwards, yeah, it's going to come afterwards. He's going to come. Il va venir. Peut-être. Yeah, you know, you remember that you think of the concept afterwards. You give it another quality afterwards. Okay, so in resume, to round up for Stuart, peut and être come together, peut-être for a sentence, il peut être sympa. He can be nice, okay? And there's other ways of doing that in French. So he's often nice. Il est souvent sympa. Quelquefois, il est sympa. Sometimes he is nice, yeah? The second method, peut and être, in the word peut-être with a hyphen in the middle, is just going to go in a sentence, yeah? So il est peut-être déjà là. He's perhaps already there, yeah? If you said perhaps he's already there, so we are saying the word perhaps before my person, perhaps he, that is when we will use the third one. Sorry, that didn't sound clear in English. We will use the third one. Peut-être qu'il sera déjà là. Okay, it's much more elegant French. So I hope this has been useful, Stuart. I'm sorry it went on to 2 videos. Never mind. Right, any other questions, please contact me. Like I said, you have Logic Language Learning at gmail.com. You have the Logic Language Learning all together, yeah, all together on Facebook. Please send me a message. And can you subscribe and like as usual if you're new to the channel. Thank you ever so much.